Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so that you guys will be notified with all of our uploads. But y'all, I do have this gorgeous unit for you guys. This comes from one of my favorite vendors, RpgHair. So if you're interested in this wig, it will definitely be linked down below for you guys, including some promotional codes and everything that I'm going to be using in this video. So definitely check down below. But this is the unit they sent me this time around. This is their Italian Yaki clear Swiss lace pre-plucked hairline bleached knots glueless lace front wig. As you guys can see, this is their 13 by 6 inches of parting space. The knots are completely bleached and it is a glueless, and this is how the hair comes directly out of the pack. This is ready to wear. You don't have to really do much to it except get that lace cut off and adhere it down. However, you guys know how I do. I'm going to make this hair look nice and laid. So I'm going to take this wow spray. This wow spray pretty much gives the hair a really nice shine, as well as it blocks humidity so it doesn't get puffy. I like to use this on my natural hair when I'm wearing a silk press, as well as hair like this, so that it doesn't become like frizzy later on. So I did apply some of that to the hair, and I'm using my flat iron just to get rid of those crimply pieces and that box hump. If you are a wig wearer and you've never owned a wax stick, like sis, what are you doing with your life? Like, a wax stick is so necessary for getting the top of your wig to look extremely flat and natural. I absolutely love a wax stick because, I mean, can we look at the results? That is really going to get your hair to look extremely natural. And can we please admire the wow spray? Like, look at the shine in the body as well as the texture of the wig. I mean, A+. But y'all, it is the next day, so what I'm going to do here is actually get the wig on and get that lace cut off. For the meltdown, I am taking my Bedhead Hardhead Mini Hairspray and using it as an adhesive. Guys, it's just a hairspray. What I like to do is just spray it on top of the lace and use my hair dryer on a cool setting just to kind of like melt it down to really get a really good application. Like, don't move that comb around like I'm doing. Like, I'm just moving it and like tapping it. You guys are gonna get some flakes, so if you do get some flakes, just use like a little wipe and just get rid of it. And yeah, but I like to take some more wax, of course, and then get that hairline to go backwards, and of course use my elastic band to further melt down the lace and pretty much to get the hair to kind of form around my head. I'm taking more wax stick in my hot comb and just laying the top of the wig. So for the pieces of lace that didn't melt down with the adhesive spray, definitely go in with some got2b glue to just kind of fix those small areas, as well as tinting your lace to blend into your complexion. I like to personally use some foundation as well as some powder. I really recommend the powder on top of the lace because in case you do sweat, it's not going to bubble up, because that's happened to me once. But yeah, I also like to go in with some concealer to define that parting space. It really helps it to look really natural. And of course, to frame the hair around my face, I'm just going to use my flat iron and just kind of create a little bit of some shape. Yeah, so even after using all of the products that I've been using throughout this entire video on the hair still has a whole bunch of movement. I mean, look at that. The body is still there. I love the length on me. It is a 20-inch, and y'all, even after going through the hair with the flat iron like twice, it still has a bunch of texture, and the movement is so fluid. And y'all, for those of you guys who like to switch up your style, you can wear this in a low ponytail, and I think that the hairline looks really, really good, y'all. What I really like about this wig is the lace. It's extremely natural. It blends very well. And of course, you can wear this in a side part. So here are the angles of the hair. Again, y'all, it is 20 inches. I am 5'8" in my torso. It's like, I don't know, it's like on the shorter side or average, but this is where it falls on me. And y'all, I mean, this hair is A1. Again, it comes from RpgHair.com. All of their information will be linked down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.